Hi, I'm Sam Bitter, and I'm going to talk about the beginning of our universe. So, our common understanding of the beginning is the Big Bang Theory, and that theory states that we started out as a singularity, a point of infinite density that is infinitely small. And this point inflated and expanded into the universe that we call home today. The problem with this theory is that there's a lot of gaps. There's no explanation for the source of this point or any statement of what happened before the Big Bang. And so there's been a few theories out there that have tried to explain these gaps, and one of which has really captured my attention and fascinated me is that of Dr. Poplawski of the University of New Haven. And he theorizes a big bounce as opposed to a Big Bang. And he says that our universe began from a very, very, very small point rather than an infinitely small point. And this very, very small point originated inside of a black hole. So a black hole is a giant collapsed star that's immense gravity pulls in everything that surrounds it within its event horizon. And the event horizon is a boundary which nothing can escape from. Energy, matter, and light is sucked into the black hole, and in the center it is compacted. According to Einstein's theories, it's compacted into a singularity. But according to the Big Bounce, there's a limit to the point which it can be compacted into. And that is because of space-time torsion, which is the intrinsic angular momentum of the elementary particles, which is saying that the spin on the particles is keeping them from continuing to contract, and it's causing them to repel each other at a certain point. So there's a limit to the amount that they can be compacted, and instead of a singularity, we have a very, very small point. And according to the Big Bounce, from this very, very small point, this point inflated and expanded, just like the Big Bang, but inside of a black hole, and not from a singularity. So we have a universe that is born inside of a black hole, according to this theory. Our universe could have been born inside of a black hole. And so, what does this mean? What are the implications of this? Well, it's one of an explanation for the perceived direction of time that we have. We only see time going forward. And this could be because we reside in a black hole and that we only receive matter and energy and light from the outside. It only moves in one direction. Nothing escapes the black hole. It only enters it. And that's why we only see time moving in one direction. Another implication is, hey, how many black holes are there? How many universes are there? Are there layers of universes? Are there millions of universes? Are there an infinite amount of universes? And it really kind of makes you think about how big our cosmos really could be. It's hard to prove, but it is a very real theory that's out there about where we came from and our beginning. Thanks for listening. Thanks for the opportunity.